Alright. I think this is working, and I'm back. Back in Nashville. So I'm at my desk. Hopefully it'll help me a little bit focus. I'm late today. I mean, not that late. It's only, it's actually 6. But I flew today. Then I had to go to the grocery store and do random stuff. Unpack, stuff like that. So, anyway, let's start here. I'm probably gonna get a bunch of errors here just because of typing on the new keyboard. So one cool thing we could do is Chat GPT, and then we can leave this open on the side almost. Can I minimize that? Yeah. Okay, so we can do this. Go like so. Like this. Alright. Right, so we're recording. Start the timer I did. Alright, what are we doing here? What did I do? So I have the field, I have the mines being placed, I have the hints being placed. Oh, that's right. And then we're trying to make safe, right? And we call it once to get those first 4. But then we need to do it again, right? And it didn't work again. Like, I would expect in this scenario that these 4 would be actually, yeah, let's do this. Okay, let's do. What happened? Oh. What? Yeah, okay. uh, I get it. So we start probably 3. Why does it start at 2-2? this one's a little harder. Okay, so there's two problems right now. The first one, like I need to do this twice, right? I need to do it on the first turn. I need to do it on the first turn. So reserve 5 spaces. We need to. It's like harder than I feel like it needs to be. But the part I'm trying to fix, I also don't know why. What was the last thing I did? I don't remember. I don't remember. Fuck. Oh my god. I need to be able to give it a chord. But if it runs into free, it needs to return, right? That's the problem. And right now, it's going back and forth, right? Which makes sense. And if I make it return on is free, I've already done this. And I do not know how to do this. I really just, I don't know how to do this. I literally can't figure this problem out. If I just straight iterate over the field, fuck. Let's look at this again. It's so annoying because this works, but I need it to expand all the way. Right? Yeah, it expands and then shows the hints. Oh my god, please stop with the noises. Right? That's what I need. I can't seem to get that. Fuck. Obviously, because there's a 1, you idiot. Now I'm just playing. But yeah, it's like you click and it explodes. And I'm not getting that. I don't know how to do that. I also need to show. Am I overcomplicating this? Is this asking me to do this? Yeah, it is asking me to do this. Okay, I'm not crazy. I literally don't know how. So that means too that. Oh my god, dude, there's even more considerations here. Like, I thought I built up to this, but it's not even close, dude. Like, this is so much more complex just in this last step. This is brutal. So a cell, we'll figure that out later. First, I need the freeze to expand. The problem is that I haven't generated the field yet. I don't know how to fucking do this any other way. What the fuck? And then reset. You fucking. Okay, that's interesting. Look at that. I clicked here, but this right one is a hint. The diagonal one is a hint. So maybe I am misunderstanding this. Okay, and I said maybe, but I am misunderstanding this. So we don't see, but I assume that, can you have a mine next to safe? You know? I don't think that's possible. I think you can have a hint. Oh my god. Dude, reset. I don't understand why it has to break in order to reset. Like, why is there not a button? Still no mine next to it. Like, a mine next to it, I guess it wouldn't make any sense if there was a mine next to it, right? Because if a mine was next to it, it's not free. Okay. So, okay. Alright. We're going to do this differently. So, instead of mark safe like this. Okay. So maybe this recursive function's okay. The problem is how I'm starting this. Can the yes, right? Okay, so no matter where I click, I should not have a mine within 1 square of me. That should be a safe zone. Okay. Fun is mine in safe zone. Alright, this is kind of brutal. Maybe I didn't read it. I would have to go back and watch myself, but like, So we'll do x comma y comma let's think about it real quick while I type this. I think it's basically if x and y are within 1, like there's a way mathematically, right? Like if this is the reserved, the mine can't be in +1 -1 on the x and +1 -1 on the y. Right? And then it's if diff x and so let's change this. Okay, I think this is gonna work. So the idea, right, is that all the positions around it are +1 -1, and then we won't mark as safe. So now if yeah. Don't like that, but let's keep going for a second. Okay, let's try this real quick. Oh, it's still marked. It still marked them. I don't want to mark them here. I want... Oh, I only want, actually, hold on. What I want is field x y dot is safe to be true. Boom. Reserved. There. Try this. What happens now? Didn't work. Right? We can see the free spot. And there's a mine right above it. y. Okay. Let's go through it right. So 3 is here, and this would be 2, 3. I see. I see. So one of these is 0, the other one is 1. The difference. So let's think about it. If I let's think about what I need to do for 3 3 free safe. Right? So let's say, for example, we get 2 3. This would be diff x equals 1, diff y equals 0. Totals 1, 2, 2. What's 2, 2 here? That's diagonal. So diff x equals 1, diff y equals 1, total equals is 2, right? So that would be here, which is, I think, a valid mind position. I think, oh no, that's not a valid mind position. Okay. Let's mark these. Up, up, up left. Oh my god. Up right is 2, 2, 4. Diff x equals 1, diff y equals 1, totals 2. So now left is 3, 2. It's the same thing for right, right? But this one is 4, 3. And this would be, wait, would it be 3, 4? Yeah, 3, 4. Yeah. And then down, down left, down right. At this point, should I have just coded it out? It's like, am I being productive here? I don't think so. But we're here now, so let's just keep stepping through it. So down would be, no, down would be 3, 4. This is wrong. This is up and down. Up is, I don't know anymore. Fuck. Let's see. So right, let's start with left. Left, this is the thing. So it'd be 3, 2. Yeah. Okay, so right would be 3, 4. Okay. Down would be 4, 3. 4, 3. Down left would be 4-2, and this would be 4-4. Yeah. Okay, so, and then in this scenario, it's 1 and 0, yeah? This is 1 and 1, so this is 2. And then that's 1 and 1, also 2. So, if maybe try that. Oh, 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 that looks pretty sick. Okay, redundant if statement. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. I don't like this as much, to be honest, but whatever. So now, okay, so we know there's a problem with this. We can actually get rid of this once, because we're not being fancy here anymore. So we can get rid of this, which means we can get rid of this. And now the last thing is if field x y dot is safe, then return. I think this will work. Let's get rid of these. See what happens. 9, 3, 3, 3. No. Oh, I didn't. No, it's there. That's great. Nice. Cool. It just didn't work because the one I passed in is. God. Okay, we make more adjustments. That's fine. If we do this. So if it is the same coordinates, then it's a problem. And we can get rid of this. Let's try one more time. I knew about that problem too. Fuck me, dude. It just... come on. Come on. I knew this was going to happen. I remember thinking about this. The other night, and I was like, this should be get or null, but here I am running into the error because I was too lazy to do it then. Okay. Let's do val cell equals field.get or null, x dot get or null y. This is that, and then if cell equals null, return. And then what was I doing here? We could probably do cell, and then turn all of these into cell, right? Try one more time. Why is this like this? No, I want it to break. Oh. I got a perfect square. I don't like that. Let's just make sure. Loving how this is looking right now. Absolutely loving it. Wow. I mean, I think that's it. That's huge. That is absolutely huge. That's the game initialization in the first turn. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's get rid of some of these comments. I don't need them anymore. Oh my goodness. We made it through, huh? How much time do we have left? 13 minutes? Okay, we could probably start on this next portion. Turns out we don't need this function. Place hence can stay. Let's see. Let's just leave a general comment. The diff in chords added together. Alright, that's a little cleaner. So we could close that. Let's lay mines. Let's just add okay. Place hence. That's done. I'm not going to change that. Generate field, probably unnecessary, but we'll leave it. Mark safe. This could all be one if statement, probably if I did this, or cell dot is mine, or cell dot is flagged, or cell dot is safe. And then you could get rid of all this. And you could even go one step further and do cell equals null, or, right? That's a lot cleaner. Let's just make sure one time. I didn't break it. Oh my god. Whoa, look at that. It's like the whole field. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah. Okay, so this is a bit cleaner. Game initialization. So we have this. Okay. Prompt turn. So now, what am I doing, right? In the main, I initialize the game, but now we have the game, and now we need to sweep field. Oh. And now sweep field. Something to call out here is this needs n mines, I think. so let's bring. See, like most of this is so wrong now. Maybe not. Let's look at it, right? It was using two different ones. So let's look. Okay. If n correct mines equals n mines, so if we found them all, and n markers equals n correct markers, so if we have all the right guesses, then we win, right? I think that's actually still good. Prompt turn, okay. Mark free, mark safe actually. Let's just change that now so it doesn't bite me later. Oh, but we say free, don't we? Ugh. Okay, that's fine. It'll just be like this. So now, field get or null, or empty. Target is mine. Target. So we don't need this actually. So what am I using this for? I think this is just. So let's just do. Let's first off call this cell instead. And then I think. Okay. So this can be cell dot nearby. What happened? Oh. Valid cell. Good enough. So we know it's not null, and now cell dot nearby mines is greater than 0. That fixes that. So now if the target is a mine and it's marked safe, then you stepped on a mine and failed. Yeah, so cell dot is mine and mark safe. Yeah, okay. The printer is wrong, but we can fix that in a minute. So what's here? Visible XY. This is a flag, right? What's the... If we do mark mine, oh, this gets a little bit easier, right? This becomes we first off don't need this. Alright, so now this goes away. Now we don't need turning flag on, we basically just need if Wait, so how do I mark it as safe? Where do I do that? Oh. Hmm. Oh, this is hard. Okay, if I get rid of all this, right? What can I test right here? I could test. Um, what do I do here? Because we're also not printing the game field, and I'm wondering if I need to go do that first. All right. 2 minutes left. I wonder if I should be. See, I feel like the hard part right now is I'm not actually seeing what I should be seeing, right? I should only see this one, that one, this one, this one, like the outline of this whole section. Why is that important? Why do I feel like that's important right now? Because I don't know. It looked like two. Like, if I do that. Wow, that's complicated. Hmm. That's pretty tough. Okay. Yeah, yeah. There's a lot to do here. It's gonna take a minute. But, alright, cool. It was nice to have the big screen again. And my mouse and keyboard back.